In today's episode, we are going to talk about Nordmann Chord Generator, which is a free Max for Live device that lets you play chords on a really interesting way. Let's have a look. So here is the device, and I'm going to play a demo song, and so we can see the capabilities of this device. So the Nordmann Chord Generator comes from Nordmann, which is a German musician and a programmer. And basically with this device, you can create triads and tetrads by pressing only one key at the keyboard, and the key is automatically routed to the root key. You can choose between major and minor chord, add a diminished or augmented additional notes, which are the one below here. The third can be omitted. Furthermore, you can invert the chord from a root inversion to the third inversion and set the chord disposition from close to open. And all the function of this plugin, of this device, can be randomized, and that can get really weird. In addition to this demo, I'm using a C minor scale just to have this sort of pleasant melody in the background to play. But you know, if I remove the chord, it becomes just a normal chord generator. So with the omit, it's basically removing the chord, the one note in the middle. And you have the inversion. So if I play the same note, C, so it's doing the inversion of the same note. And if I press random, every time I press the same note, he will choose randomly the type of inversion that the computer chooses. And I can also press random to the selection of the key. So he will choose between random and major. And here it's where things get a little bit more complicated. You can choose the, major 7th, 9th, and 5th chord. So if I just randomize, it's going a little bit crazy, and it will remove the sort of pleasant feeling. So that's why I had the scale plugin connected to it. So I'm gonna put it back. So I'm still pressing the same note, which is C. And let's randomize the third row. And then we have this position. So this position, from what I understood in my small knowledge of music theory, this position can make the chord wider. And the more I'm adding, the more note he's playing towards a higher pitch. And you can also random this device as well. So you can see that now we are creating a slightly complex chord progression, which is very nice, and that wouldn't be possible with the Ableton stock plugin. So I really love this plugin because you can really go, sort of next level with your chord progression melody. So it's very interesting, really. I really like this plugin, and it's ultra relaxing to play in the night. And if you find the right synthesizer with some nice effect, in my case I have an absynth, and I have some returns with delays and reverbs that makes the sound much more soothing and ethereal. But yeah, I don't want to put too much randomizing, and I like to keep stuff, relatively under my own control. So yeah, this is the Nordmann Chord Generator by Nordmann, and special thanks to him for creating this incredible device, because it's really, really beautiful, and I play this lately a lot. And I found out this plugin since 3 weeks, I will say, just by randomly, zapping between the devices in the Maxwell Live website. So yeah, I will put the link in the description to get this plugin, and thank you for everything, and see you on the next one.